The new Lumix G7. The one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology in a compact and intuitive design, providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing, recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of a 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new Lumix G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
Panasonic.
Hi, I'm Christine. We're here at the Kodak PIXPRO headquarters, and I'm going to be talking to you about the latest in our lineup of Kodak PIXPRO cameras. One of our most powerful step-up bridge cameras in the Kodak PIXPRO Astro zoom line is the AZ652. With an incredible 65 times optical zoom lens and top-notch 20 megapixel CMOS sensor, this camera is loaded with cutting-edge features that will help you take photos like a pro. It's even compatible with third-party filters to keep your lens protected and safe. Want to step up your photo game? The AZ652 is the answer. With 5 frames per second burst shooting, an electronic viewfinder, 3-inch articulating LCD screen and outputs, it produces JPEG and RAW files for post-editing. The AZ652 is priced under $400 for a great value and comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter to charge your battery, USB cable to download photos, neck strap, and a CD-ROM full of helpful information and editing software. It takes a standard SD card that can be purchased anywhere. This Astro Zoom camera is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to share your photos and videos on the go and post to social media and share almost anywhere. To learn more, visit us at kodakpixpro.com. Don't forget to share your photos and videos with us and tell your story.
The Nikon D3500 is fun to use and simple to operate. Its 24.2 megapixel format allows you to capture high-quality images effortlessly. A light and balanced body lets you take it with you wherever you go. Continuous shooting of 5 frames per second, in combination with its 11-point focusing system, the D3500 captures moving images with ease. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you use your smart device as a remote trigger to capture the images, and then automatically transfers those images from the camera to your phone. The ISO range of up to 25,600 captures beautiful images throughout the day. Record 1080p high-definition video by activating the live view mode and pressing the record button. Capture your best moments with the Nikon D3500.